There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Thursday, March 11th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. FD7 Ventures Managing Director predicts Bitcoin market cap of $10 trillion. Market wrap. Bitcoin nears all-time high as U.S. House passes $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief.
There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
That's a lot. JPMorgan Bitcoin exposure basket could be gateway drug for clients. But first, the price of Bitcoin is even. With a last of 56,684, a high of 57,444, and a low of 54,407. That's $1 for 1,763 Satoshis. Volume was at 9,216 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long as more people are heading long on Bitcoin than buying short at 94%. Bitcoin dominance was at 80%. That's 18 Satoshis for a penny. FD7's managing director Prakash predicts Bitcoin market cap of $10 trillion. Chand, who's the founder of Ask the Doctor and a Bitcoin investor since 2011 and managing partner of billion-dollar global currency asset investment fund FD7 Ventures, believes more people will continue to add cryptocurrency to their portfolio over the next 2 years, raising the market cap of all cryptocurrencies. The new generation of retail investors who got burned on Robinhood will turn to the cryptocurrency markets. We will see a lot of stimulus checks invested in the crypto market instead of the stock market. It's a pretty cool thing to see this young generation learning to invest. When I was 21, I was worried about spending all my money on a car, a depreciating asset. This new generation is so much more advanced than my generation. They love investing in crypto and find it more appealing than the regular stock market, which is dominated by conventional Wall Street suit and tie types. Market wrap. Bitcoin nears all-time high as U.S. House passes $1.9 trillion COVID relief. Bitcoin is within range of a quick run to the all-time high of 58,332. Bitcoin gained for the sixth straight day, extending its longest winning streak of the year and approaching the record high price reached last month. The largest cryptocurrency was changing hands above $56,000, up about 3% on the day, and within range of a quick run to the all-time high of 58,332. We continue to see strong upward momentum from technicals. Gary Pike, Director of Sales and Trading at institutional cryptocurrency trading platform B2C2 USA, told CoinDesk, "One should not be surprised for Bitcoin to test the old highs and potentially break through." The day's gains came amid fresh evidence of two big bullish market drivers over the past year. Bitcoin's increasing use as a hedge against inflation in the face of trillions of dollars of economic stimulus.
There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
And its increasing adoption by big institutional buyers. The U.S. House of Representatives on Wednesday passed a $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief bill already passed by the Senate. That has been a priority of President Joe Biden's early days in office. Some economists say the extra money could quickly reheat the economy, spurring a fast rebound in consumer demand and employment that might rapidly lead to price increases. Crypto analysts noted the average funding rates on the Bitcoin perpetuals, a fee traders pay for leverage within derivative contracts, has started to tick back up, in an indication that markets are turning more bullish. But That is still far from the unsustainable level the market saw in late February, which led to a correction due to liquidations of over-leveraged traders. Trading volume on the spot market, meanwhile, was flat on Wednesday, showing the market has yet to return to the euphoric frenzy witnessed earlier in the year. If we think the same about the volume as energy, and if the buyers only display low energy, then how can they keep advancing the price? Chris Thomas, head of digital asset at Swissquote Bank, said, "We really need another few large buy orders to move us forward with more energy." JPMorgan Bitcoin exposure basket could be gateway drug for clients. JPMorgan is giving clients a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through a structured note offering tied to a basket of stocks related to the assets. According to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filings, the notes do not provide direct exposure to cryptocurrencies, but instead are tied to JPMorgan's basket of 11 unequally weighted stocks that are directly or indirectly related to cryptocurrencies or other digital assets. The weights of the stocks in the basket were determined based in part by each company's exposure to Bitcoin and liquidity. Given that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has not yet to approve a cryptocurrency-backed ETF, these JPMorgan notes in some way circumvent regulation and represent an ETF or mutual fund of sorts, holding 11 stocks. The market value of the notes and payment at maturity will largely depend on the performance of Class A common stocks of MicroStrategy 20%, Square 18%, and the common stocks of Riot Blockchain 15%, and Nvidia Corporation 15%. Together, the four stocks of these companies make up 68% of the basket. According to BitcoinTreasuries.org, a site that tracks firms' exposures to Bitcoin, the first three collectively hold $5.6 billion worth of the cryptocurrency. Ever since August 2020, when MicroStrategy disclosed that it was making a big bet on Bitcoin, its shares have soared along with the price of the digital asset. The JPMorgan notes maturing on May 5th, 2022, cost a minimum of $1,000, and investors will be charged a basket deduction, basically a fee of 1.5%. They are structured so that at maturity in a year or so, you reap the gains or losses of the basket minus the fee. Do-it-yourself investors could easily simulate the note by simply buying the stocks through a brokerage and commission-free. Just got my new HAL Finny mug, Bitcoin Heroes, now available at shop.worldcryptonetwork.com. We've also got shirts. And we've got the Treasures Don't Float 2.0. Don't take your treasure on a boat. Your treasure don't float. Check out our new laptop fundraiser where we're still collecting. We have about 3 million Satoshis. Sounds like a lot, but we'd like to go up maybe to 4 million Satoshis just in case they continue to raise the price of new MacBooks, especially since we're looking for the legendary new MacBook with ports. Apple wants to sell a bunch of laptops. Our 3-year-old laptops are perfectly fine, but they're going to add back in the ports. You must get the ports. It's so easy to donate with the fundraiser and the Lightning Network. All you have to do is go to Tallycoin, set your amount, $2, set a comment like, "You must get the ports." Click the Lightning button. Tallycoin will generate a QR code for you with all of that information encoded inside. Simply scan it with your Lightning wallet. It has the amount already programmed in, and click Pay. Lightning sent and Lightning received. It's just that easy to use the Lightning Network with Tallycoin. The price of Bitcoin is still even, up about 0.23%, but that's 0%, with a last of 56,825. That's $1 for 1,760 Satoshis. The market had a high of 57,444 and a low of 54,401. Volume was at 9,232 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long, with 94% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 80%. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and a share and to subscribe down below. About 73% of the people watching have subscribed to this channel. You should join them. That's called peer pressure. It's an effective argument. Subscribe now. It's not too late. Until next time, bye-bye.